What do you know about copyright law? As a built environment professional, where does the copyright law vest? Whose is it? Who does it belong to? We discuss all of those as well as practical examples and how you can protect yourself and more things in the latest issue of Wars and Roofs magazine. I'm Marlene, the editor of Wars and Roofs magazine, and I'd love to take you through our latest issue. The guest editor in this issue is Larry Feinberg of ASACS. This is the cover. We feature the Rafa Nadal Academy, Tennis Academy, a great international project. Here's a guest editor comment from Larry. And then we look at confidence. So Larry speaks a lot about confidence in the built environment industry. One thing we have to know is that these things are cyclical, and I truly believe that we're coming out of a cycle. We bring you the latest trends, some great, fantastic new products. This product I love as well. It's a new roof, a solar roof that's really built to be robust and is built using integrated technologies with water harvesting, solar harvesting, a great solution. We talk about the first green precinct rating, what that means. Britain's best pier, it's the Sterling Prize winner, which is this timber pier. I mean, isn't that just a wonderful project with some clad timber? It's beautiful, it's absolutely lovely. Zeitz has had a lot of publicity lately, but this issue specifically, we talked to the local architects that made it happen, and we asked them about their views. I was lucky enough to visit it, and it truly is a phenomenal project. We bring you the latest products in terms of roofing, some great projects that you can learn from, also the technical information you need to know. Then we bring you another project, Atterbury, which moved into their new office. It's clad out with some fantastic David Crano pieces. It's got a wonderful curved roof at the top and wonderful canopies throughout. It's a beautiful project. This is the insulation that was used in the Virgin Active at the club. The magazine is filled with not only technical information you need for your specification, but also projects. The project is really critical, and we try and bring you some different angles to just the project details. This is Discovery. We all know of Discovery. The photos here were supplied by Paragon, wonderful photographs. Installing the facades at Discovery. Now, facade is just glass. So here we talked to FG Trading, and they gave us some really great information that is worth the read. Here we talk about the museum, the Koromansky Architects Museum. That's won the Africa Architecture Awards. It's also a brilliant, brilliant building. Acoustics in offices becoming absolutely mission critical, always has been, but I think in the new office design it's even more so, so we discussed that. This was a wonderful project as well. So these are actual 3 by 1 meter wall tiles that they put up. Is that not a fantastic, I've never seen an installation like this. It's absolutely wonderful. Look what it looks like in the lift lobby. So definitely not used. Diesel, the clothing manufacturer, have brought out their own tile range. This emulates blinds. This looks like steel tread, you know, the steel tread that they use for stairs. And look at this. This is fencing. So this is actually supposed to look like a chain link fence. So that's their new range that they've brought out in collaboration with Iris. Iris is available locally in South Africa as well. Then 3 ways to make roofs more sustainable. We've brought you some cool infographics here with all the technical information you need. At a glance, quick facts and some important considerations for when you are designing sustainable roofing, as they all should be. The long span roofs we also cover. Painting roofs in a flash. And this is also critical not just for heat retention and to reflect heat, but also for the renovation. We all know, let's paint the roof while the sun shines. Here it's sustainable roofing made with steel. So we talk about thermal efficiency, the green credentials, etc. We bring you the latest advertisers with their latest products. CPD events that have happened. So we really try and bring you great information in short, succinct paragraphs that you can read quite quickly with technical information that gives you nice bulleted info and steps coupled with wonderful projects and technical things. Facades, as we've seen previously, a lot of the buildings are glass these days, and we've spoken to Pure Consulting and they've given us some absolutely brilliant information around facades, the changing roles, the materials, optimizing it, the transformative technology, better glass, etc. This is truly a wonderful technical article that's been inspired by all of the glass buildings that we see going up. Then the PwC building, here as well, we look at how it actually became to be built. There's a lot of technicalities that went into that building, but look how brilliant it is. I really urge you to read this and see it. It's truly a remarkable building. The solar reflection on the concave, some of the things that's very critical to uncover and unmask before you start with groundworks. Rain screen specification, also very specific. Rain screens are critical. And then fire protection. There's a lot of misconception around fire protection, and with a lot of the fire issues that have come up in the last 6 months, particularly overseas, it's important to know what to do with the fire issue, how to specify. Then some of our latest news. And the copyright law article I was telling you about. So I urge you, click on the link, download the article, download the magazine. It's available free of charge, and enjoy the read. It's a wonderful, wonderful magazine with lots of interesting information that you need for all your specification.